Mae Sai, Thailand, September 11, 2024.
ไปแล้วรีชาร์ด
Heavy rain caused by tropical storm combined with continuous rainfall since September 8 led to flooding in Mae Sai District, Chiang Rai Province, Thailand on Wednesday, September 11th. The Sai Lom Choi Market area near the first Sai River Bridge was inundated, with water levels in residential areas exceeding 2 meters. Both residents and officials state that this flood was more severe than previous occurrence. The Sai Lom Choi Market, home to about 200 shops, has been flooded more than 5 times this year, with water levels still rising. The flood has reached the Old Mae Sai, Chiang Rai route 2 kilometers away from the Sai River. Local electricity authorities had to cut power to the flooded areas of the market to prevent accidents. This also affected the water pumping station, potentially disrupting water supply to 9 villages in Wang Pheng Kham sub-districts and Vai village in Mae Sai sub-district. Besides the market, communities along the Sai River, including Sai Lom Choi, Ko Sai, Ko Sawan, Mai Lung Khon, Mang Teng, and others downstream were widely affected. The areas along the Rock River, where the Sai River flows, were also impacted. Many affected people post videos on social media calling for help, with some trying to escape rising waters and others reporting many residents and pets trapped in homes. Local administrative officials, military personnel, and relevant agencies rushed to assist affected residents. People attempt to use sandbags to prevent water from entering their homes, but many were unsuccessful and had to move belongings to higher ground. Chiang Rai governor led local officials to the affected areas to assist residents. Rescue workers hurried to help people trapped in flood houses, with some rescued individuals expressing shocks at the speed and height of the water rise.
นี่น้ำเท่าหน้าอกเลย
หรือว่ารถกระบะหรือเปล่าก็ไม่รู้อะรถของใครไม่รู้นะครับไม่รู้คน
Other northern provinces including Mae Hong Son, Chiang Mai, Nan, Pheo, Lampang, Prey, Tak, authorities also face flooding and landslides. Officials in Chiang Mai Province have reported an update on a landslide and flash flood that affected Penpeng Tontuya, Village 9 and Pendoy Lam in Mae Sai District. According to the reports, 2 people have lost their lives, while 4 people are still missing.
จะมิดหัวแล้วครับแย่เลยครับห้องเช่าอยู่ไม่ได้แล้วครับต้องมาอยู่บ้านคนอื่น
กำแพงบ้านถล่มนะตัวเนี้ย
Prime Minister posted a message about the flood situation in the northern region, stating that she had received reports from the National Water Resources official about the flash floods, especially in Chiang Rai and Chiang Mai. She assured that relevant agencies were providing urgent assistance and that she was closely monitoring the situations. He advised affected communities to immediately report their distress to the emergency number of civil protection officials and express his support for the affected residents and officials trying to deal with the situation. The Provincial Electricity Authority has stopped supplying power to users in some flooded areas worried for their safety. It said about 300 customers will be without electricity until the flood water subsides. Adding to the anxiety, the Northern Meteorological Centre issued a storm warning on Thursday, predicting more rainfall and at times heavy in the northern region until the following Monday. This forecast spells potential further complications for an already beleaguered community trying to move up and recover from the current deluge.
แป๊บนึงออกมาแล้วลึกมาก
Post-flood, local residents hope the authority will spend more money to build a proper dike and not a flimsy one that could really withstand the force of nature and also build reservoirs and irrigation channels to divert excess water away.
พี่ดูสิคนไหลแล้วเนี่ย เนี่ยเท่าหน้าอกเลยค่ะ